maybe I was wrong. Where did I read that I think what I might know what it might have been is, I think when they first reopened the trolley line, I think it was after Hurricane Ike in 2008. There was so much damage to the trolley line and some trolleys that trolley service came to an end for a while, and it took a while to get things all repaired and the trolleys fixed up. And said I think when they first reopened, it was like on a more of a touristy schedule, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. But it looks like they have resumed. I think today's Tuesday. I'm tempted just to follow it around for a while. I'd like to go for a ride. This was a bus stop right here. I should find somewhere to park. I should hurry up and go down the block that way and park and catch it when it comes around. I think it's only $1. They keep it very affordable. $1 keeps you riding for I don't know how long. But then again, I'm kind of hungry for breakfast too. See, it goes back in there. We're down by Fisherman's Wharf again. I know it goes in by there, and it has to. Oh, oops! It has to turn left here. It's gonna come back out of here and come down this way. I feel I'm like stalking. Okay, I'm stalking the trolley. Yeah, the windshield's a mess because we, there was a whole bunch of blowing debris and stuff at the beach. Here it comes. And this, by the way, is name of the street is the Strand. The crossroad is Kempner, and Texas Seaport Museum is right there. Very historic part of town. No lights, but I guess by law it's oh, they do have a stop sign. And they blow their that makes me happy. Somehow that makes me happy. Galveston Island Trolley, and that's the downtown loop trolley. Yep, kind of made my day. It did.